stop scrolling. If you want a competitive edge in your games, you're missing out on something massive. I'm about to reveal the top 6 mechanical keyboards every gamer needs. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which keyboard can level up your speed and precision. Stay tuned. And don't forget, you can grab these through the links in the description. On number 6 is Redragon K552. Redragon K552. Ever wondered if a budget keyboard could actually hold its own in serious gaming? This one does. With its compact 10-keyless design and solid metal plus ABS construction, it saves space and feels rock-steady even during frantic sessions. Its mechanical switches give satisfying responsive keystrokes, and full N-key rollover ensures every combo registers. No more missed inputs when you're spamming WASD or chaining abilities. RGB backlighting adds flair without breaking the bank. For a top 6 best mechanical keyboard for gaming style shortlist, it punches well above its price. On the flip side, there's no dedicated wrist rest, and switches, especially clicky ones, can be loud. Customization is limited too. If you're building a fast, budget-friendly setup or coming from a membrane keyboard, this feels like a smart upgrade that brings precision and reliability. If you need ultra-quiet typing, deep customization, or ergonomic luxuries, a higher-end board might suit you better. At number 5 is Glorious GMMK3 Pro He. Glorious GMMK3 Pro He may be the most versatile keyboard you'll consider for your gaming build. Imagine a single board that you can tailor to your playstyle over years. That's what this gives you. Its Hall-effect switches, ultra-low latency up to 8,000 Hz polling, and dual hot swap support, He magnetic or MX-style mechanical, deliver blistering responsiveness whether you're racing through shooter reflexes or grinding long typing sessions. A serious contender on any top mechanical keyboards for gaming shortlist. The full aluminum body and modular, gasket-mounted frame feel rock-silent and premium. It's built like a tank. On the flip side, the software for customizing RGB macros or keybinds is buggy and unreliable, and some users report a slightly stiff typing feel or key wobble, not as refined as top-tier artisan boards. If you want blazing fast reaction times, deep customization, and a future-proof keyboard, this is worth the investment. But if you prioritize a battery-smooth typing feel or flawless software polish out of the box, you might want a more mature board. At number 4 is HyperX Alloy Origins. Imagine plugging in a keyboard and suddenly your games feel smoother, faster, more alive. Alloy Origins delivers that magic. Its aircraft-grade aluminum body gives a rock-solid, heavy build that feels premium under every key press. No wobble, no flex, just confidence when you're in the middle of a clutch match. The HyperX switches respond with light, crisp, low-force keystrokes that register instantly, excellent for fast shooters or intense MMO action. The vibrant RGB lighting and detachable cable make it stylish yet practical. However, it's not perfect. There are no dedicated media keys or extra macro buttons, and the lack of wrist rest can make long sessions a bit tiring. If you want a responsive, sturdy, and visually slick gaming board, especially compared to budget-oriented picks on a top gaming keyboards list, this one's a smart, reliable choice. But if you need heavy customization or ergonomic comfort for marathon typing, you might want to check more feature-rich alternatives. Number 3 is Razer Huntsman V2. Imagine hitting every headshot so fast your keyboard feels like an extension of your reflexes. The Huntsman V2 nails that feeling. Its optical switches paired with a blister-fast 8,000 Hz polling rate deliver near-instant reactions, perfect for competitive shooters or high-intensity MMO fights. And the durable double-shot PBT keycaps and solid aluminum top design give a premium, grounded build that inspires confidence under pressure. The included ergonomic wrist rest and customizable media dial add real comfort and convenience, a relief for long sessions where fatigue and wrist strain are a real problem. On the downside, it's wired only. Some larger keys wobble slightly compared with compact rivals, and macro or USB pass-through fans might feel limited in comparison with other top contenders from our shortlist. If you value speed, precision, sturdy build, and clean aesthetics, Huntsman V2 feels like a smart, future-proof pick. It's ideal for gamers chasing performance or frills, but if you need heavy macro setups or wireless flexibility, exploring other boards on the list makes sense. And number 2 is SteelSeries Apex 3. Imagine this, you spill your drink in the middle of a heated game, and your keyboard keeps working. Apex 3 brings that peace of mind. Its IP32 water-resistant build shields against accidental spills. The whisper-quiet switches deliver silent, low-friction keystrokes, rated for 20 million presses, ideal for late-night gaming or typing without annoying noise. The customizable 10-zone RGB lighting, magnetic wrist rest, and handy media controls give comfort and a polished look to your setup. On the downside, it uses membrane switches, so response lacks the snappy precision of mechanical rivals. It feels softer and less tactile under heavy competition. If you want a safe, quiet, budget-friendly keyboard that covers basics and looks good, especially compared with pricier picks, Apex 3 is a sensible entry-level choice. If you crave razor-sharp keystroke feedback or pro-level responsiveness, though, you might want to aim for something stronger. Now moving to the last one is ASUS ROG's Strix Scope 296 scope. Imagine reclaiming desktop space while still having a full numpad. That's exactly what Scope 296 delivers. Its 96% layout squeezes full-size functionality into a neat, compact footprint that leaves extra room for mouse movement. Perfect for gamers with limited desk space. The pre-lubed ROGNX Snow or Storm switches feel smooth, stable, and snappy under your fingers, ideal for both fast shooters and extended typing or work sessions. With tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth, or low-latency 2.4 GHz, detachable wrist rest, per-key RGB, and media wheel, it hits a sweet balance of comfort, flexibility, and performance. Still, the 96% layout can feel a bit cramped if you're used to roomy, full-size boards, and the companion software for customization isn't the smoothest. If you want compact build, premium feel, and wireless freedom, this is a strong pick. If absolute full-size comfort or flawless software control matters most, you might want to also check other models. ASUS ROG's Strix Scope 296. Here's why it wins the crown. It combines a full-function layout with a compact design that keeps your desk clean, delivers smooth, hot, swappable switches, and extremely flexible tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth 2.4 GHz wireless, so you get reliability, comfort, and portability. Its premium build, excellent key feel, and smart balance between gaming performance and everyday use make it the most complete pick. If you want a keyboard that performs great in games and stays versatile for work or casual typing, this is the one worth buying. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best mechanical keyboard for gaming. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.